Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on active status on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on active status on Telegram, first open up a Telegram app on your phone, and on this interface guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where there is the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings and this kind of interface will appear where you can find the privacy and security option over here just below the chat settings. Tap to open the privacy and security, and over here you can see there is the privacy category over here, and there is the last seen and online option available for us just below the phone number. Tap on last seen and online and you will be on this interface. Now in order to turn on your active status, you can turn your active status on for your contacts only or everybody. So I'll be just choosing the everybody, so you can also tap on my contacts to choose to show your active status only to your contacts. So I'll be tapping on everybody. If you want to show your active status to your contacts only, that's upon you. And after choosing your everybody or my contacts, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen and then your active status will be turned on. And there guys, this is how to turn on active status on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.